quantum idealism, simulation theory, and their implications for intelligent design and theism. In recent years, both scientific and philosophical communities have engaged in lively debates regarding the nature of reality, consciousness, and the universe's origins. Two influential ideas emerging from these debates are quantum idealism and simulation theory, which present fascinating insights into the metaphysical foundation of the universe and its potential relationship to intelligent design and theism. Quantum idealism. The universe as information. Quantum idealism is a form of metaphysical idealism that draws on modern advances in digital physics, suggesting that the physical universe is not fundamental, but instead emerges from an underlying informational substrate. This perspective is rooted in a broad range of scientific observations, from quantum mechanics to quantum gravity, which collectively point to a universe where information, rather than matter, forms the foundation of reality. At the heart of quantum idealism is the idea that spacetime is not fundamental. Research in quantum gravity, such as work by Brian Whitworth and others, suggests that spacetime is an emergent phenomenon rather than a fundamental feature of the cosmos. Spacetime emerges from entangled quantum information, which exists beyond the dimensions of space and time. This view aligns with a growing number of physicists who see information as the ultimate constituent of reality. Pioneers like John Archibald Wheeler have long suggested that it from bit, or the idea that information gives rise to physical reality, could be a guiding principle for understanding the universe. Another critical aspect of quantum idealism is its connection to consciousness. Modern consciousness research, including theories such as Tononi's integrated information theory and Donald Hoffman's consciousness realism, supports the notion that physical reality could be a product of a universal consciousness. This universal consciousness, in turn, processes the information that manifests as the physical world. From this perspective, the universe is not just made of particles and fields, but is fundamentally a mental construct, a projection from a higher plane of information or consciousness. Simulation theory and virtual reality. Simulation theory, famously articulated by Nick Bostrom, holds that it is highly probable our universe is a computer simulation. According to Bostrom, advanced civilizations could have the technological capabilities to create simulated universes indistinguishable from base reality. If such civilizations exist, and if they run many simulations, it follows that our universe is more likely to be a simulation than a fundamental, objective reality. Support for this theory comes from the striking similarities between the structure of our universe and the nature of virtual realities. For instance, Brian Whitworth highlights that the universe's creation in the Big Bang parallels the initialization of a virtual reality. Additionally, space and time in our universe behave much like pixels or voxels in a digital environment, with the smallest possible units being Planck length and Planck time. Furthermore, just as virtual worlds have speed limits set by their computational constraints, our universe has a speed limit, the speed of light. However, Bostrom's simulation theory raises a potential issue: infinite regress. If our universe is a simulation, what about the simulators? Are they also in a simulation? This line of thinking can lead to an endless chain of nested simulations. A simpler and more philosophically satisfying explanation, proponents of quantum idealism argue, is that our universe is a simulation within a universal consciousness rather than within a computer system. This perspective solves the problem of infinite regress and unites physical reality with consciousness, providing a more coherent framework for understanding the universe. The link to intelligent design. Quantum idealism and simulation theory offer compelling evidence for intelligent design. If the universe is a construct within a universal consciousness, this consciousness could act as the designer responsible for the fine-tuning and purposeful arrangement of the cosmos. For intelligent design advocates, this aligns with the view that the complexity and order we observe in the universe are not the products of random processes, but the result of a deliberate and intelligent cause. One of the key arguments for intelligent design is the fine-tuning of physical constants in the universe. The physical constants, such as the gravitational constant, the strength of the electromagnetic force, and the cosmological constant, appear to be finely tuned for life to exist. Even small deviations from these values would result in a universe where life as we know it would be impossible. In the context of quantum idealism, this fine-tuning could be interpreted as a product of conscious intent. Just as programmers set parameters for a virtual reality, the universal consciousness could establish the laws and constants that govern our universe. Furthermore, James Gates's discovery of error-correcting codes in the equations of string theory supports the idea that the universe functions like a designed system, complete with built-in mechanisms for preserving order and functionality. If such codes are indeed embedded in the fabric of reality, it suggests that the universe operates according to an intelligent design, just as software programs include error correction algorithms to ensure stability and accuracy. Theism and the universal consciousness. The concept of a universal consciousness not only supports intelligent design, but also has profound implications for theism. If the universe is a product of a universal mind, it naturally invites comparison to theistic concepts of God. In many religious traditions, God is described as an omniscient, omnipresent being who creates and sustains the universe. In the framework of quantum idealism, this universal consciousness could be understood as a divine mind, responsible for creating the informational substrate from which the physical universe emerges. This notion of a divine universal consciousness is consistent with classical theistic metaphysics, particularly those of Plato and Aristotle, who posited the existence of a supreme intelligence or first cause that orders the universe. Christian philosophers like George Berkeley and Jonathan Edwards also embraced forms of idealism, asserting that reality consists of ideas in the mind of God. Quantum idealism revives these philosophical traditions, providing a scientifically informed foundation for theism in the 21st century. Additionally, Rupert Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance, the idea that there is a memory in nature that guides evolution, offers another possible link between quantum idealism and theism. This theory could be seen as a mechanism by which the universal consciousness orchestrates the development of life in a directed, purposeful way, further aligning with the idea of a designing intelligence. Conclusion: a new synthesis of science and faith. Quantum idealism and simulation theory represent a powerful synthesis of scientific and metaphysical ideas, pointing towards a universe that is not only informational and conscious, but also potentially designed. These concepts provide a fresh perspective on long-standing questions about the origin of the universe, the nature of consciousness, and the role of purpose in creation. For proponents of intelligent design and theism, these theories offer significant support for the belief in a conscious, intelligent cause behind the universe, a cause that many would identify with God. This emerging synthesis has the potential to bridge the perceived gap between science and faith, demonstrating that metaphysical concepts, like purpose and design, can have a legitimate place within the scientific understanding of reality. In this framework, God is not only the creator of the universe, but also its sustainer, the ultimate source of both information and consciousness that shapes the physical world. As quantum idealism and simulation theory continue to evolve, they may offer even deeper insights into the nature of the cosmos and the divine intelligence that underpins it. Thanks to Johannan Rayatz and Dr. Gunter Beckley, phrasings, interpretations, and commentary are mine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts.